These are called the Rin Barrera limited edition wooden box sets, no? This is a limited edition of 100. Yan, 100 per version. And there are two versions. First is the Muscle Land wooden box. And the other one is called the Our Daily Dread, no? And this is the first time na ginawa namin kung saan yung artwork is printed on the wooden box. In fact, the box is made of bamboo, no? And as you can see, sa loob ng box na to, meron siyang kasamang dalawang decks. You have one deck of Muscle Land and one deck of Our Daily Dread. And meron siyang kasamang divider na removable. Also, I think yung artwork na to, yung mga nakaprint dito sa box, is based on the actual paintings ni Rin. In fact, itong Our Daily Dread na to, makikita mo to naka-display sa VOV currently. No? Doon sa mga interview videos, di ba, nandoon, nakikita nyo. We also have this one, di ba? Ang ganda nung artwork niya. Vibrant and very colorful yung ginawa dito sa box set na to. So, available to in limited quantities. Once it's gone for good. Yun lang.